Properties of triangles, part 9.
Hi everyone. For this session, we will discuss new problems. So, see a continuation of previous part. So, see the next one. Show that R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB is what? 1 by R minus 1 by 2R. Okay. So, see here consider the LHS first. So, that is R1 by BC plus R2 by CA plus R3 by AB. Okay. See here once you observe here, denominators are first denominator BC, second one CA, here AB. For first term multiply and divide A. So you will get AR1 by ABC. For second term multiply and divide B. You will get BR2 by ABC. For third term multiply and divide C. So CR3 by ABC. So then only you will get the same denominator. Okay. Now clearly these are the sum of the terms. Okay. So this can be written as sigma of first term. That is what? AR1 by ABC. So sigma means sum of the terms. So here after A, B, after B, C, after R1, R2, after R2, R3. Okay. Now see here this can be written as 1 by ABC into sigma. So how to write A formula? That is 2R sin A. Okay. Small a formula is 2R sin A from this angle. And R1 formula, that is S tan A by 2. Okay. So these two are formulas only. Okay. Now this can be written as 1 by ABC. Here 2R S not depend on the sigma. So write outside. That is 2R S. Sigma. What is sin A formula? Sin A formula is 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. And tan A by 2 write as sin A by 2 by cos A by 2. So cos A by 2, cos A by 2 get cancelled. So what you get? This is 2RS by ABC. Here 2 into 2, 4 only. So write here 4RS. Sigma, sin to sin. Sin square A by 2. Okay. So you know that delta is equals to what? ABC by 4R. From this ABC is equals to what? 4 delta R. So using this formula here. So here this is 4 capital RS ABC formula 4 delta R. 4 delta R. This is sigma sin square A by 2. Here 4R get cancelled. So this is S by delta only. No? So S by delta of, here apply sigma. Sigma means sum of the terms. That is sin square A by 2 plus sin square V by 2 plus sin square C by 2. Okay. So again, you know that small r is equals to what? Delta by S. So 1 by r is what? S by delta. So using this formula here. So clearly S by delta write as 1 by r. So this is 1 by r into. Okay. So how to write sin square A by 2? Half angle formulas. That is half angle formulas. 1 minus cos A by 2 plus 1 minus cos B by 2 plus 1 minus cos C by 2. Okay. Here we have to apply half angle formulas. Now here 1 by 2 is common in all terms. That is 1 by 2R into. So what you get? 1 minus cos A plus 1 minus cos B plus 1 minus cos C. Again this can be written as 1 by 2r into 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So minus is common, you will get cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Again you know that cos A plus cos B plus cos C formula from the trigonometric transformations. So here that is 1 by 2r into 3 minus. So this formula is 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So this is cos A plus cos B plus cos C formula. Now see here, this is 1 by 2r into 3 minus 1. 2 only, no? 2 minus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So you know that small r formula is what? 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. But here r is not there. So for that multiply and divide r. That is 4r and here divide with r. Multiply and divide r. So right here multiply and divide with r. Now 4r sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 write as small r. So this is 1 by 2r into 2 minus small r by capital R. Now multiplying 1 by 2r inside, what you get? 1 by r minus 1 by 2r. This is the RHS. Okay. So see the next problem. In triangle ABC, prove that small r plus r1 plus r2 minus r3 value is 4r cos A. So see here. So first we have to consider any two. Okay. So here I am considering R1 and R2. R and R1. R and R2. You can consider any two. So here consider R plus R1. Not only R plus R1, you can consider R plus R2 or R1 plus R2 or R minus R3. Like that. So see here. What is small r formula? 4r. All terms are sine because of this is small r only. Sin A by 2, sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. Plus small r1 suffix is 1. So clearly first term is sine and the remaining two terms are cos. That is 4r sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. So clearly in both terms 4r sin A by 2 is common. So 4r sin A by 2 is common. So what you get? Sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Next here plus cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Now this is 4r sin A by 2. So clear it in the form of cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So clear that formula is cos of A minus B. That is cos of B minus C by 2. So this is equation 1. And second one, R2 minus R3. You can consider R2 minus R3. R2 formula. Here suffix is 2. So clearly second term is sine and the remaining two terms are cos. That is 4r cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 minus R3 suffix is 3. So clearly third term is sine and remaining two terms are cos. That is 4r cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So clearly in both terms 4r cos A by 2 is common. 4r cos A by 2 is common. You will get sin B by 2 cos C by 2 minus cos B by 2 sin C by 2. So this is what? 4r cos A by 2 into. It is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is sin of A minus B. So here this is sin of B minus C by 2. This is equation 2. Now, therefore, we have to add 1 and 2. So what is that? R plus R1 plus R2 minus R2. Here R plus R1, this one. 4R sin A by 2 cos of B minus C by 2 plus R2 minus R2, this one. 4R cos A by 2 sin of B minus C by 2. In both terms 4R is common. So 4R is common, what you get? Sin A by 2 cos B minus C by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin of B minus C by 2. So again it is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is sin of A plus B. So this is 4R into sin of A plus B minus C by 2. So how to write A plus B? A plus B plus C is 180 because of here given in triangle ABC. Okay. So see here this is what? 4R sin of pi minus C. Again C is there. Pi minus 2C. So pi minus 2C divided by 2. So this is 4R sin of pi by 2 is 90 minus C. So what you get? 4R cos C. Okay. So therefore R plus R1 plus R2 minus R3 value is what? 4R cos C. So see the next one. In triangle ABC, prove that R1 plus R2 plus R3 minus R value is 4R. So see here, consider the LHS or consider any two terms. So here I am considering first two terms, that is R1 plus R2. Again you know the formulas of R1 and R2. Here R1 suffix is 1. So clearly first term is sin, remaining two terms cos. Here second one R2. So suffix is 2, second term is sin and remaining two terms are cos. So write the formulas. 4R sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. And second one R2. 4R cos A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. So in both terms which one is common? 4R cos C by 2 is common. We will get sin A by 2 cos B by 2 plus cos A by 2 sin B by 2. So clear it in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That is sin of A plus B. So therefore R1 plus R2 is equals to what? 4R cos C by 2 into sin of A plus B by 2. Okay. So how to write A plus B by 2? So clear this is 4R cos C by 2. How to write A plus B by 2? See here, A plus B plus C is equals to 180. So divide with 2. So clearly A plus B by 2 is 90 minus C by 2. So this is sin of 90 minus C by 2. So this is 4R cos C by 2 into cos C by 2. So therefore R1 plus R2 is what? 4R cos square C by 2. So this is equation 1. So similarly you can find R3 minus R. Here again consider R3 minus R. A suffix is 3, so last term is sin. That is 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2 minus small r, all terms are sin. That is 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 and sin C by 2. In both terms 4r sin c by 2 is common. So 4r sin c by 2 is common. So what are the remaining terms here? Cos a by 2, cos b by 2 minus sin a by 2, sin b by 2. So cleared in the form of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That is cos of a plus b. So this is 4r sin c by 2 into cos of a plus b by 2. So this can be written as 4r sin c by 2 into cos of 90 minus c by 2. Okay. So cos of 90 minus theta sin theta. So clear, this is what? 4r sin square c by 2. This is equation 2. So we have to add equation 1 and 2. So that is, we add 1 and 2. So what you get? See here, r1 plus r2 plus r3 minus r is equal to 4r. See here, r1 plus r2, cos square c by 2, 4r cos square c by 2. Plus r3 minus r, 4r sin square c by 2. 4r sin square c by 2. Okay. So clear, this is 4r is common. So what you get? Cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. So clear, this value is 1. So 4r into 1. You will get 4r. This is RHS. So try to solve 7th question. So this is similar to previous questions. Okay. So here consider first r plus r3 and r1 minus r. And you add both of them, you will get 4r cos b. Okay. So for next session, we will discuss more problems.